Namaskar friends, my name is Yogesh Pandey and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. And today in this video, I'll teach you how to make homemade healthy tacos. So these are the ingredients required to start the recipe. So at first, add some ghee to a frying pan. You can also take your regular cooking oil. Now, once the ghee is hot, add chopped ginger garlic to it. And now add the finely chopped onions to it. And stir it till the color changes to light brown. Once the color changes, add the chopped capsicum to it. And stir it for 2-3 minutes. You can also add soya sauce, but it is totally optional. Now add the soyabean granules to it and mix well. You can even grind the soyabean chunks for granules. You can even add pasta, noodles, chicken or whatever you like in the filling. I have only taken the soyabean granules. Once the mixture is hot, add salt, oregano and black pepper as per your taste. Once the mixture is done, keep it aside to cool down. These are the ingredients for making tacos. Mix all the ingredients and make a dough of it. Add a little amount of water to make a soft dough. Once the dough is ready, cover it and keep it aside for 15 minutes. Now simply make a round sheet and cook it as a paratha on the tawa. And you need to cook it for some long time to make the tacos crispy. And once you are done, fill the hot tacos with the fillings we have made. Also you can use various toppings whichever you like. You can even use mayonnaise. I use some tomato sauce and a few drops of lemon juice. And the healthy snack for the children and family is ready.